Chapter 2, Transaction 10, Section 2.1 reads August 12th, received cash on account from Kids Time, $100. If we remember back to transaction number 7, we sold services to Kids Time for $200. And I said that over time they would start paying us back because they owed us money because we didn't receive any cash. Well, now they're starting to pay us back, and in this case it's half of it. So when you look at this transaction, receive cash on account from Kids Time, $100. We're receiving cash, we're gaining cash. So we know the asset of cash. We also know that there it's increasing $100. Now from transaction 7, we learned about accounts receivable, right? Which is companies that owe us money. We've sold them something, services, goods, but they owe us money and need to pay us. Well, Kids Time was in our accounts receivable. So I called it AR Kids Time. Now, for our equation here to balance, I can't increase accounts receivable Kids Time. Because if I increased it, we would have $200 in assets, but no liabilities and no owner's equity, right? This has a value of 0. This has a value of 0. So for our accounting equation to balance, I need to increase my cash because I'm gaining it, but I need to decrease accounts receivable Kids Time. So what that actually is going to do is within our records, our books, it's going to say that Kids Time now only owes us half the money they paid us before. They owed us $200, they're now paying us $100, they still owe us $100. We're gaining cash. Kids Time is decreasing the amount that they owe us. So we're increasing an asset, we're decreasing an asset, and it balances out to be 0. So what does that look like in our textbook? We can see right here, we have our assets, our liabilities, owner's equity. Again, our right-hand side of our equation is not touched during this. We receive cash on account, we're increasing our cash value, we're decreasing the Kids Time accounts receivable because they now owe us less money. Accounts receivable, receiving cash on account.